Today I'm going to talk about carbon neutral green investments as a green marketing tool. Green investment is basically financing large and small, complex, challenging projects which generates renewable power, reduce energy use and carbon emissions and keep wastes out of landfill. Green investing or eco investing is a form of socially responsible investing where investments are made in companies that support or provide environmentally friendly products and practices. Green marketing tools are only claims which can be very powerful marketing tool in current scenario where people are shifting towards traditional breakfast and trying to lead a traditional living all around the world. These claims comes in a wide range of forms which include statements about environmental sustainability, recycling, carbon neutrality, energy efficiency and use of natural products. Green investing sectors are renewable energy sectors, energy efficient industries, and forestry. It is managing carbon emissions through carbon neutrality. In 2006, carbon neutrality was the new Oxford's Dictionary Word of the Year. Carbon neutrality is a means to feel better about the pollution we cause. Yeah, that's it. 1.82 metric tons in 2016 is the India's per capita emissions, which have grown over the years. The GHG emissions by sector goes to energy as the most contributing sector, agriculture, industrial processes, land use and change, forestry, then waste. Carbon neutral is basically carbon emissions which are compensated to contribute to carbon sink. These are offsets, carbon capture and storage using renewable sources of energy and sequestration in trees. The benefits of carbon neutrality is reducing the greenhouse gas emissions by businesses, reducing the resources used and potentially save money, reduce your business impact on climate change, strengthen your reputation within the marketplace. You can be able to position your products as carbon neutral alternatives. How we can do it is there are third party organizations which can recognize the climate change and carbon management that your business has undergone, and you can have national carbon offset standard and you can brand them. They basically give you guidance on voluntary carbon emission offsets and set minimum requirements for calculating, auditing and offsetting the carbon footprint of an organization. Some green marketing tools are NCOS, carbon neutral program, carbon offsets, carbon disclosure projects. What do they give is a layman would understand would be green branding, green advertising, green leveling, environmental belief, eco packaging, which a layman understands and buys your products. A carbon neutral program is something that tells customer that an organization is taking action against climate change by choosing carbon neutral products or organizations as a part of their purchasing operations. Carbon offsets is suppose an individual emits or gases on the personal air travel, they can buy a carbon offset to compensate it. Similarly, the company or organizations can do when they are exceeding their caps. Carbon disclosure project aims at long-term plans for the future, which should be giving information about CO2 emissions and climate strategies. Companies represent them as environmentally responsible and delivering meaningful actions on climate change. Carbon neutral partners in India would be British Standard Institution, the Carbon Neutral Company, TUV India Private Limited, VNV Advisory, Climate Partner, carbonfund.org, Carbon Consulting Company. You can go to these websites and you can really find out how to go about being carbon neutral. Some of the Indian companies have adopted green investments to be carbon neutral. There are many of them. I'll be talking about two. The first is Godrej. They had taken a Greener India Goal 2020. According to that, they had a goal of reducing the specific energy consumption by 40%, and they have achieved 36% till date. They had a target of reducing specific water consumption by 40%, which they have achieved. They had a target of reducing hazardous waste by 50%. By 25% they have achieved. Send zero waste to landfill, they have achieved 64%, and 55% of their energy consumption is from renewable resources, which they had targeted 30%. So the achievement, the company are taking these things very seriously, and they are achieving it as well. Infosys is basically carbon neutral in 2020 only, but their aim or goal would be to continue to be carbon neutral, and they are actually 30 years ahead of the Paris Agreement, which is 2050 timeline. They have adopted a lot of indices to ensure that they are carbon neutral throughout. Paris Agreement is basically the collective climatic actions to keep the global average temperature rise well below 2 degrees Celsius by the end of the century. And there are different key points to it, where we are talking about temperature, then contribution by rich countries, developed countries taking leads, greenhouse gas emissions to minimize, climate related losses, vulnerable countries to be recognized, and review being made every 5 years or so, and developed countries must provide financial resources to the and help to the developing countries. As a part of this 2020 commitment, there are 3 quantitative goals for India as per Paris Agreement goes: reducing the emissions intensity of GDP by 33 to 35% by 2030, achieving 40% of cumulative electric power installed capacity for non-fossil fuel based energy resources, creating an additional carbon sink equivalent to 2.5 to 3 billion tons of CO2 through additional forest and tree covers. There are 24 private companies which has placed for carbon neutrality. Some of them are here: Vedanta, Tata, Reliance, Mahindra, ITC, SEC, Adani, Dalmia Cement, Sun Pharma, Ambuja Cement, Esser Oil, Nippon Steel, ArcelorMittal, and there are other companies as well who have committed. Paris Agreement and Kyoto Protocol are different only in the way, because in the Kyoto Protocol the developed and developing countries were treated differently, but here there is no difference between these companies, and the use of this would be basically establish the global price of carbon. There can be serious catastrophe if a mass of afforestation of a single species is done over a large area. Of course, it will reduce the carbon, but then there is high negative impact on water sustainability, biodiversity, and livelihoods. So we have to use different methods of carbon neutrality to ensure the proper biodiversity and livelihoods are maintained. Marketing renewable energy use and carbon offset is basically through certification marks and seals of the approval. There are dozens of third-party organizations who have emerged in recent years offering seals that indicate green energy use, conservation measures, and carbon offsets of various types, and how relevant they are is a big question mark, and that has to be guided properly. Like something like wind powered, when they say they must be using some kind of natural gas or burn diesel while delivering products to stores. Sometimes the certificates are recycled, and sometimes what happens is a newly planted tree would not offset the kind of carbon emissions for 20 years. So these issues are there while we are thinking of investing or carbon trading or buying carbon offsets. So renewable energy projects such as wind, solar, low impact, small hydro, biomass and biogas, and other emission reductions such as reforestation, fuel switching, carbon capture and storage, and energy efficiency are various carbon projects, and each of them has different pros and cons, and every organization need to choose according to their suitability, where a cost plays an important role. A focused carbon management effort is required. So you think one person can make a difference? Yeah, you have to think again. Actually, you can make a big difference. Carbon neutral is 1, 2, 3 steps. First is measure, reduce, and then offset. If you do not measure the amount of carbon that you emit, then you will not be able to reduce it, and to compensate you have to buy it from some other organization. So that is the way the carbon neutral works, and that is how the carbon is traded. So thank you very much for listening, and be careful on how much amount of carbon you emit.